If Figma feels slow on your computer and you're working without a high-end PC, this video will show you simple tips to improve performance and make your design experience smoother. So here are a few things you can do if your Figma is running slower and you don't have any high-end PC. The first thing is to use the Figma application. Don't use Figma in your browser. You can simply download the Figma application by going to figma.com and go to the product option, then download, and then you can choose your operating system from here, Mac OS or Windows. The second thing is, don't use this play button here. We have this prototype play button here to play the prototype. It uses extra device memory, which makes your Figma run even more slow. So what you can do is simply go to figma.com/mirror if you're on a PC. After going to this website, you have to log in with the same account you have logged in Figma. Then, if you select the frame in your Figma design file, it will be shown here. You can download the Figma application for your smartphone for viewing mobile device designs. It is available for both iOS and Android. Now I'm in a Figma file, and if I zoom in, I also have a low-end PC, and I'm zooming in, you can see that it's zooming very slow. It's lagging, actually. So one thing you can do is simply go to this option, then select Pixel Preview and turn it on. What it will do is show you images in pixel form, like this. Now things are pixelated. That's how they will actually look. But when you have to see the details, you can turn it off. It also has a shortcut, and you can also change the resolution from here. Now you will see designs in detail. And that's it. These simple tips can make a big difference, especially if you're working on a low-end computer. Try them out and enjoy a smoother Figma experience.